To stay up to date with my latest videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. People often refer to confidence as the key to success. As a society, we value confidence and praise it. And make sure that those with confidence have what it takes to go far in life. But why? What is it about being confident that makes a person seem more inclined to be successful? In this video, we're going to explore the trait of confidence and how possessing this trait can help a person excel in life. What makes a person confident? Most of us know confidence when we see it, but for the purposes of this video we want to define this trait as clearly as possible. Confidence is defined as a feeling of self-assurance arising from one's appreciation for one's own abilities or qualities. While being confident does mean you're aware of your own value, it doesn't necessarily have to be negative. It's a common misconception to link being egotistical and confident. These two traits are not synonymous. Being confident merely means that you are sure of the value and quality of the skills and traits you bring to the table, including being aware of your faults. A confident person knows how to play to their strengths and not be deterred by their weaknesses. Confidence comes from personal strength, not from others' approval. This differs from egoism, which relies on the praise and approval of others as the source of self-assurance. A person who is egotistical is vain, rather than confident. Why do confident people excel in life? Confidence has long been seen socially as an admirable trait, but what is it about this trait that makes it seem synonymous with success? Confident people are sure of themselves and their decisions, they don't need someone else's approval or guidance to make decisions. This surety makes a person a better leader. Those who are confident also tend to be more driven, stopping at nothing until they achieve their goals and letting nothing get in their way. This drive proves that those who are confident will do what it takes to ensure their success and the success of their projects. These people excel in life because they are determined to excel in life and see to it that it happens. The power of mindset. A person's mindset can be a powerful tool, instrumental in either their success or failure. The right mindset can help to improve your drive, your productivity, and your success. In the same way, however, the wrong mindset can ruin your performance, drive, and motivation. If you're confident in your skills and ability to complete the task, you'll be more likely to succeed. However, if you go into your project unsure of your abilities and skills, thinking you will fail, you're likely going to fail. A large part of why confident people excel in life is because they set their mind to it and their sights on it until they've reached their goal. It's important to note, however, that mindset isn't 100% of the battle. While it's important to have your goal in mind and attack the process with the right mindset, it won't guarantee you success. Confidence is a highly praised trait in our society. It is typically seen as synonymous with success. Those who are confident tend to go further in life, to excel, but why is that? Those who exude confidence convince those to whom they are speaking that they know what they're talking about. That they have some level of understanding and ability to give them authority on the matter. This trait will get you far in life as it tends to make you a better leader, improves your drive and motivation, and can help you assume more authority in a given situation. Thank you for watching. For more info, please visit us at www.motivations.com. You may also visit us on Facebook page and Instagram at #motivations. Check on the description below.